Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check out with an Amazon gift card. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's open up the Amazon app here, or you can also, of course, use Amazon.com. Now, let's say I just tapped on one of these electric outlets and I added a smart outlet. And I wanted to check out, but I have a gift card that would cover the balance. This is only $7.99. Let's tap on the shopping cart at the bottom right here and then hit proceed to checkout. You'll be able to see at the very top place your order, the cost, the tax, the delivery address. And then if I scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see paying with your Visa. You can either change that card or you can hit use gift card, voucher, or promo code. So I'm going to tap on that. It'll pop up with the ability to choose your payment. I can choose whichever cards I have on file. And at the very bottom, it says add a gift card, promo, or voucher. So just tap that on. And then all you need to do is enter in the code for that Amazon gift card. And then it will just load up the balance on there. Of course, if the balance of the gift card covers whatever you're buying, then you'll owe nothing. However, if it doesn't cover the balance of what you're buying, it'll just use one of those cards above as the backup. So it'll use your gift card first, and then the remaining balance on that, it'll just charge your credit card or debit card or whatever you have on file. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.